Hello dear students, today I will solve a miscellaneous exercise of on chapter 8. Okay, so taking questions one by one, just I will discuss complete discussion and up to the formula and you have to integrate that. Okay, so very important questions. Also miscellaneous exercise on chapter 8, so you have to do completely in your copy and send to me for your attendance. Okay, so here just I have discussed, okay, area under the given curves and given lines. Here what, y equal to x square and x equal to 1, x equal to 2. So first, so solution, I will give complete discussion and up to the integration, just putting limit and integral. You have to solve this integral. You have to solve this integral. Then what is the diagram? What is the portion of the required portion for which we have to find area? So this discussion will be now in each question. Okay, first solution 1. First, what, y equals to x square, y equals to x square and x equals to 1 and x equals to 2. These are the boundary, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, y equal to x square. Clear? And x axis also. And x axis. X axis. These are the 4 lines. We know for finding area by using integration we are requiring boundary. So you can draw this diagram. Very simple. What? This is x axis. This is y axis. Okay. So, like this, y equal to x square equals to y, upward parabola. So we can draw like this. Clear? Now x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x axis. X axis is what? This is x axis. This is x axis. Clear? We know this is x axis and x equals to 1. Suppose this is x equals to 1. X equals to 1. Here 1, x equal to 1, x equal to 2. X equal to 2, and so we can suppose this is x equals to 2, x equals to 2. So x axis this, and this is x equals to 1, this is x equals to 2, and this is parabolic part. So our bounded part is what? This part. So A, B, C, D. Okay, so required area, just you have to write consider on the following diagram as given in question. Okay, you have to write. Then draw the diagram and write, consider on the following diagram as given in questions. Then required area. Required area is equals to area of what? A, B, C, D, A. A, B, C, D, A. Now this area is area under the curve. So you can take vertical strip like this, PQ. That is ydx formula. ydx formula. A to B limit, that is what? 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 2. Curve is this parabola, y equals to x square. Curve is this parabola, y equals to x square, upper part. So the value of y, x square dx. Now you can solve it. Clear? So this is the diagram for first questions. Okay. Second question gives y equal to x to the power 4, x equal to 1, 5 and x axis. 1, 5 and x axis and x to the power 4. This is given. Okay. In second question, this is given part. Clear? Here y equals to x to the power 4, x equals to 1, x equals to 5 and x axis. These are our boundary in second question. Clear? So for here, for second question, second of first. So its diagram is also like this, because we write like this, what? Y equal to x square. We know the standard form. This square means rapidly increase, means this square means its curvature is also like this. So diagram will be just like same. So you can draw its diagram also like this, nothing more, also like this. Okay. So this is x equals to 1 and this is x equals to 5. So this part is the same questions as the same, because this is y equal to x to the power 4. Clear? Y equal to x to the power 4. Because square part, so always y is positive. In upper part, these are also parabolic. X square may be taken as new x because positive value. So higher, so curvature is more than the y equal to x square. So parabola can be drawn like this. Okay, same. Y, x, 0, a, b, c, d. This part is from here, x to the power 4, and x to 1 to 5. So in these questions, 1 to 5 and here x to the power 4 dx, and we can solve it. Same. Clear? So first question is completed. You have to draw like this diagram and then write this. That's the taking vertical strip. P to Q. Y dx, x to the power 4. In previous question were x square and here x to the power 4. And limit from 1 to 5. Clear? So this was the question first. So here main thing is what? Diagram. And what will be the formula for finding area. Clear? Now take question second. Question second. Second question says that what? Find the area between the y equal to x and y equal to x square. Y equal to x and y equals to x square. We know one is parabola, one is line. So very simple diagram. Here x axis, y axis. Okay. So x square equals to y is parabola, upward parabola, x square. So this is parabola. Like this, y equals to x square, and y equals to x line, y equals to x square, 0 and 1. We can solve it because whenever we draw a diagram, then if there are 2 curves, 3 curves, then line, then we have to check their intersection point. Here intersection point. If we put y equal to x here, x equal to x square minus x equal to 0, x common, so 0 and 1. The value of x is 0 and 1. value of x is 0 is here and 1 is, suppose this, here 1. Okay, so line y equal to x is like this, y equal to x, clear? Now their intersection here 0 0, here 1 1 1 because x equal to 0 here, 0 0 and x equal to 1 here, x equal to 1, then y equal to also 1. So this is the, we have to find the area of this person, O, A, B, C. So we can write required area, consider like this, you have to write like this. Okay, then O, A, B, C, O, that is, this area also can be found because single curve up to the intersection point. Here we can draw like this. This is x equals to what? 1. Here x equals to 1. X equals to 1, x equals to 0. So between this line, so there are single curve, upper and lower. So upper curve is line and lower curve is parabola. So we can draw vertical strip like this. Okay, what? P, Q. So vertical strip. So here upper curve and also lower curve. So y from upper curve minus y from lower curve. So integration y upper curve minus y lower curve dx and limit a to b, a to b. Now general final value put what? 0 to 1. Y from upper curve means line, y from upper curve means x, so x minus y from lower curve x square, from lower curve x square, so x square dx. Now we can solve it. Very simple. Integration x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 and put the limit 0 to 1, you can solve, you can get that. Clear? So this was the question second. So you have to do it completely in your copy. Tell it with answer. Okay. So this is the question second, diagram of the question second. Now question third. Find the area of the region lying in the first quadrant bounded by y equal to 4x square. Here y equals to 4x square, 0, x equal to 0, y 1 4, x equals to 0, y 1, y 4. This is given y equal to 4x square. This is the bounded by this region. Question third. Okay, question third is also like this. These are 4 boundaries. 3 are line, 1 is parabola. Here also y equal to 4x square means what? X square equals to y by 4 means x square equals to means upward parabola. Okay, upward parabola. So we can draw diagram like this. This is x axis, this is y axis. Okay, origin, upward parabola. So we can write this y equals to 4x square. Clear? Now x equals to 0. X equals to 0 is this line, y axis. We know x equals to 0. X equals to 0, y axis. Okay, and y equals to 1. Y equals to 1. We know y equals to 1 like this. Okay, y equals to 1, and also y equals to 4. Clear? Y equals to 4. Okay, and first quadrant means this part. So this line, this line, this line, and this curve. That is, this is our area. The required area is this part. Okay, this part. So for boundary Suppose this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Clear? Here we see that vertical strip is typical. So we have also can take horizontal strip x dy formula. So area of A, B, C, D, A for this area. We take horizontal strip. Horizontal strip. ML. Take ML. Horizontal strip means x dy. So integration of C to D x dy. That is the value of x from here. Okay, x dy formula, and y vary from 1 to 4, and there are single curve. Curve is this. So from here we can find the value of x. X equals to what? X square equals to y by 4 implies x equals to plus minus root y by 2. Root y by 2 plus minus. So plus is here and minus is here. So in first quadrant. So this plus sign. So x equals to root y upon 2 dy. Limit from 1 to 2. 1 to 2. Just we have to solve it. Simple. 1 by 2 common. Y to the power 1 by 2. That is y to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. Limit from 1 to 4. Sorry, 1 to 4. 1 to 4. 1 to 4. So 1 to 4. Now you can get the result. Okay. By putting the value, you can get result. So this is the diagram. So here, not vertical strip, take horizontal strip for easily. Okay. So this was the question third. Okay, you have to solve completely, drawing, writing and solving this. Clear? This is up to solving. Now question 4. Sketch the graph of y equal to mod x plus 3 and evaluate minus 6 to 0 x plus 3. Question 4. Clear? Question 4. Sketch the graph of y equal to mod x plus 3. Y equals to and solve integral minus 6 to 0. We have to find the value of this integral and sketch the graph of this. Okay. How can we draw the graph of this? Sketching graph. We know graph of modulus function. If we say that graph of modulus function y equals to mod x, graph of this function is what? V shape, like this. Clear? This is origin. Now for question 4, here sketch the graph of this and finding this value of this. Okay. Yeah, we know graph of y equal to mod x is this V shape. You know that is y equals to x and either y equals to here minus x. You know this type of graph is modulus function having. Okay. For here mod x equal to 0 means here. Now, if by seeing this, we can see in place of mod x, here x plus 3. That is, this is equals to 0. That is, mod x plus 3 equals to 0. That is what? X equals to minus 3. So, minus 3 is the point from where graph will start. Also, suppose x plus 2 is, then x equals to minus 2. That is start from minus 2, just like V-shaped graph. Here, suppose x minus 1 mod. Then x minus 1 equals to 0 means x equals to 1. So graph will start from 1. Clear? And also suppose mod x plus 3 y equals to 1. And this is negative. This is negative means what? X plus 3 is less than 0. 3 is less than 0. That is x is less than minus 3. That is less than this side less than minus 3. In this case, if this is less than 0, then mod of this is equals to what? Minus of x plus 3. That is y equals to what? Minus x minus 3. That is y minus x equals to minus 3. So graph of this line we can find what? Plus y plus x. So we know x by intercept form, here x by a plus y by b equals to 1. Here a, b are the intercept. We can draw like here a, here b, then this is graph. Here this is what? X by minus 3 plus y by minus 3 equals to 1. We can write like this. So minus 3 is intercept on both axes. So here if minus 3, then here minus 3, then this is the graph. This is the graph. Minus 3 minus 3. Similarly, y equals to, if this is greater than 0, x plus 3 is greater than 0. X plus 3 is greater than 0. Then x is greater than minus 3. That is this part. This part. In this part, y equals to x plus 3. Okay, y equal to x plus 3. Y equal to x plus 3. We can write like this: x minus y equals to minus 3. X minus y equals to minus 3. So here intercept from x equal x by minus 3 plus y by 3 equals to 1. We can write like this. That is a equals to minus 3. A equals to minus 3 in x axis. B equals to 3. 3. So graph is this. So this is the graph. Okay. And also we can draw graph of this function by taking value minus 6 to 0, some value, by preparing a table. You can draw also graph. Value of x, value of y, you can make a table, you can give the value of x, suppose minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 and 0. You can do it by giving this value. So x equal to minus 6, minus 6, minus 6 plus 3, minus 3. Minus 6 plus 3 means minus 3. 3. This is 3. This is minus 2. 2. This is 1. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. So you can draw the graph of this function. How? You can make the graph this function. How can do the graph of this function? Like this. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, origin. Okay. Suppose this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. These are the points. Now, minus 6, 3, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, minus 6, 3, minus 6, 3 is point here. Minus 5, 2 is point here. Minus 4, 1 is point here. Just like this. and 0. Similarly, point will be here, here and here. Okay, so we can draw the graph like this, V shape. You can draw the graph. Clear? This is the graph of the function. Clear? -5 then 2. Here this is 3 and then 1, then 4 and then 5 up to y equals to this 1 to 3 up to 3. Just like this. 3. By taking a scale, correct a scale, you can get this type of graph. Same logic. Okay. So by taking point you can do, and by another logic you can do, find the graph of this equation. Okay. So this is the graph of this y equals to mod x plus 3. Here -3 is this is line, this is line. Clear? This is the graph. Now solving integration. Okay. Solving this integration. Here we see that in graph, here we see that graph, here -3, so graph is this, just like this, graph is this, here negative side, positive side here. Now, for this question, it is clear that because we have to break this mod in this interval, here -6 to 0, -5, -4, -2, -1 up to this. In this part, it is clear that x plus 3 is less than equal 0 for x lies between in this part, if we take any value, then here -6 plus 3 negative, -5 plus 3 negative, -4 plus 3 negative, and also my nearer value to -3 from left side negative. For values what? -6 to -3. In this interval, this is negative. And x plus 3 is greater than equal 0 for -3 less than equal x less than equal 0. In this interval, total value, this is greater than equal 0. Very clear. -1 then positive, -2 then positive, also nearer to from right side positive. Therefore, y equals to mod x plus 3 equals to, in this part negative means -x plus 3, for making positive, for -6 is less than equal x is less than equal -3, and also x plus 3 because it's positive, and positive mod is breaking. So for what? -3 is less than equal x less than equal 0. So this is the breaking. So this integral can be solved by using, so integral is equals to -6 to 0 mod x plus 3 can be break in two parts, -6 to minus 3, minus 6 to minus 3. Clear? Mod x plus 3 dx plus minus 3 to 0 mod x plus 3 dx. Clear? Now we can solve it very simple. In this part, this minus x plus minus x minus 3. We can write minus x plus 3. So minus x minus 3 dx, and in this part positive. So x plus 3 dx, limit is minus 6 to minus 3 and minus 3 to 0. Now you can solve it. Okay, so integral can be solved. Clear? So first of all, you have to sketch the graph by taking table or by giving logic. In this part, this positive, this is a straight line. In this part, this negative, a straight line. Okay, or by preparing table, you can draw the graph. And then for solving, just break mod like this. It is clear that this is negative. So negative, then for making positive, minus sign is here. In this interval, positive, so positive. So using this, you can get solution here. This is equals to what? Minus x square by 2 minus 3x, limit from minus 6 to minus 3, plus here x square by 3 plus 3x, limit from minus 3 to 0. Now applying limit, you can get the result. So do it complete. Okay. This was the question 4. Now take question 5. Find the area bounded by the curve y equal to sin x between x equal to 0 to x equal to 2 pi. Okay. 0 to 2 pi, we have to find the area of bounded by y equals to sin x and x equals to 0 to x equals to 2 pi. So very simple curve. Consider according following diagram as given in the question, then required area is equals to area of this plus area of this, because here two parts will be there. You know, I think graph of sine function you know better, because sine is start from here to the, like this. Clear? This is 0, this is pi by 2, this is pi, this is 3 pi by 2, this is 2 pi. Okay, x-axis, x-axis, y-axis, y dash, this x dash, y dash. This is the graph of sine function. We know here what 1, here minus 1. Clear? So sin x and x equal to 0 here, x equal to 2 pi here. So this is the portion of which we have to find area. This is lower part. So O, A, B, C, D. So you can write area of first OABO, OABO, and modulus of, because area under the below the x-axis. So negative side. So we have to take modulus sign. Area BCDB, BCDB, this. So we can take vertical strip like this, here also like this. So in this part, area for this part 0 to pi, so 0 to pi, and y dx plus modulus of what? Pi to 2 pi. 5 to 2 pi. So here also sin x dx, because modulus sign is there, modulus sign, modulus, clear, y. So we can write 0 to pi sin x dx plus mod of pi to 2 pi sin x dx. So with modulus sign you have to solve this integral. Sin means minus cos x, limit from 0 to pi, plus modulo also minus cos x, limit from pi to 2 pi, and you can get the result. Okay, so do it, complete. So main is graph of the function. Clear? Graph of this function is this, area of this part plus area of this part, both area. Clear? So this was the question 5th of miscellaneous exercise. Clear? Now take question 6. Question 6. Question 6 is area enclosed by the parabola y square equal to 4ax and y equal to mx. So here diagram will be in the form of what? Y square equals to 4ax and y equal to mx. Y square equals to 4ax and y equals to mx. Clear? Area enclosed between the parabola this and the line equal to mx. So very simple, just general diagram is there. X axis, okay, y axis. Just you have to draw diagram of the parabola. Y is equal to 4ax, standard form, right-handed parabola, just like this. Okay, y square equals to 4ax, this. Clear? Now line y equals to mx, y equals to mx. Clear? This is the line. You can draw like this. In between area is this. Simple diagram. So O, A, suppose A, B, C. Then coordinate of this point is main thing here. Coordinate of this point. Clear? This is the required part. So then required area equals to what? Area of OABCO. OABCO. Okay. We can draw vertical strip. So y from upper curve A to B, y from upper curve minus y lower curve. Okay, dx equals to, now limit here 0 to y from upper curve, from here y equals to what? Plus minus 2 root a x. This is upper part, so plus 2 root ax dx plus minus lower curve. Lower curve is line y equal to mx. So mx. This dx. Upper limit from here. For getting this, you have to solve this two, because this is the intersection point of this and this. You have to solve this two. So y equal to mx, y equal to 4x square, y equals to 4 y square equals to 4a x. Solving this two, we can get what? y equals to mx. So here we can write y equal to mx here. ms square x square equals to 4ax. Now what? ms square x square minus 4ax equals to 0. So here x can be taken common. So ms square x minus 4a equals to 0. So here x equals to 0, 1 point, and x equals to here ms square x minus 4a equals to 0, that is x equals to 4a by ms square. So this is 4a by ms square, 4a by ms square. Here 0. If x equals to 4a by ms square, x equals to 4a by ms square, and y equals to, from here you can find y equals to mx. If x equals to 4a by ms square, mm cancel, so 4a by m. So limit will be up to this 4a. This is 4a by ms square, x equals to, so 4a by ms square. Now you can solve it. Very simple. What? 2 root a. Root x means x to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. Limit this. We can write like this. 2 root a x cube by 3 by 2 minus here m x square by 2. Limit from 0 to 4a by m square. Now you can simplify it. Put first x equal to this and then 0. 0 means complete 0. So only put x equal to this, you can get result. So this was the question 6. Main thing is diagram, making diagram and putting limit and formula. This is 70% completed, and then you have to solve this integral. Clear? Now just put the value here, x equal to this, and here x equal to this, and solve it, simplify it, that will be the answer. Okay? So this was the question 6. And also take question 7. Okay, you have to complete these questions in your copy, and at least solution of 3 questions you have to send me for your attendance. Okay, so take question 7. Here question 7. 7 is find the area enclosed by the parabola 4y equal to 3x square. 4y equals to 3x square. And line 2y equal to 3x plus 12. 2y equals to 3x plus 12. This is parabola, this is line. By bonding this, we have to find area. So diagram, we can draw the diagram. This is parabola. Clear? So first parabola can be solved. Can we draw what? X square equals to 4 by 3. That is what? X square equals to 4 by 3 y. That is x square equals to 4y. Upward parabola. So we can draw diagram like this. X axis, x dash, y, y dash. Clear? This is only upward parabola. Upward parabola. Clear? This 4y equals to 3x square. Upward parabola. Now line y 2y equal to 3x plus 12. Clear? It can be solved also by taking some point on line. If y equal to 0, then x equals to what? Minus 4. If y equals to 0, if y equals to 0, y equals to 0, then x equals to what? 3x equals to minus 12, minus 4. Okay, minus 4. Clear? Minus 4, minus 2, 2, 0, 0, 2 y equal to 0. And if x equals to 0, then y equals to 6. Y equals to 6. So we can draw the graph. X equals to 0 and y equal to 6. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the point. What? 0, 6. This is the point. Clear? And minus 4, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. Minus 4. Minus 3. Minus 2. Minus 1. Clear? This. Minus 5. Minus 6. And so on. Clear? Now minus 4, 0 is this. This. Minus 4, 0. Minus 4, 0 point. This is. Now graph of this. Okay. So line is like this. Clear? Here bounded by parabola and line. Bounded by parabola and line. That is, parabola is this, line is this. So this is our main part. Okay. Here we have to require like this two part. How can we get this? By solving this. Solving this two. Okay. So here 2y equals to 3x plus 12. Solving this two equation. Parabola and line. Solving this. Okay. By solving this, how can we get 2y equals to 3x plus 12? So here 2 into 2y. So 2 into 3x plus 12 equals to 3x square. Just put 2y equals to this here. Now solve it. 6x plus 24 equals to 3x square. Here now we can divide 6x plus 12. So divide by 3. 2x plus 2x plus 8 equals to x square. Okay, 3x square. Clear. Now here x square minus 2x plus 8 equals to 0. Now we can factorize it. X square minus 2, so minus 4x plus 2x, so minus 2x, and minus 8 x square plus 8 equals to 0. So here x common, x minus 4, here 2 common, minus 8, so plus 8, then x square minus 2x minus 8, sorry, minus 8 is here, minus 8, here minus 8, okay, minus 8, minus 4x plus 2x, clear. So x common, x minus 4 plus 2 common, x minus 4 equals to 0. So here x plus 2 into x minus 4 equals to 0, that is x equals to minus 2 and 4. So x equals to minus 4 is minus 2 is here, x equals to minus 2 is here, and 4 is here. Now x equals to minus 2 here and 4 is here. Now with y you can get also the value of y, but that is not required for questions. Is minus 2 square means 4 cancel, y equal to 3, y equal to 3. You can put here 3 and also 4. If 4 then 4 into 4 cancel 12. 4, 12. Just like this. Okay. So if 4, then 4 into 4, 4, 4 cancel, 4 into 3, 12, 12. So these are the intersection point. You have to find corner point. So our area is this. Now by drawing perpendicular here, this is minus 2, x equal to minus 2. Up to here, this is what? X equals to 4. So required area is equals to what? Required area AOEBCA. AOEBCA. This is the area. Now in this part, lower part is parabola, upper part is line. So we can use vertical strip because they are a single curve. So y upper curve minus y lower curve dx and a to b. Here a to b means what? Minus 2 to 4. Minus 2 to 4. Minus 2 to 4. Clear? Limit. Y upper means line. Line means this. Y equals to 3x plus 12 by 2. 3x plus 12 by 2. This is upper part. Clear? Upper. And lower means parabola. What? This. So y equals to 3x square by 4 minus 3x square by 4 dx. Now we can solve it. Very simple. Okay. How? 3x by 2 means what? 3 by 2 x square by 2 plus 2 divide 12 by 2 means 6x minus here 3 by 4 into x square means x cube by 3. So apply limit minus 2 to 4. You can get the result. Okay, so to complete it also. So this was the question 7. This is the Manis diagram and you have to put formula here, integration. Solve this integral. Now just put the limit. First time x equal to 4 and then minus of x equal to minus 2 and then you can get the result. Okay, so at least solution of at least 3 questions you have to send me for your attendance. Okay, so 7 questions are completed from miscellaneous exercise on chapter 8. Okay, so reply me for your attendance. Okay.